Hello everyone, it's Lonnie here at New You Regenerative Medicine and Plantation, and I am here with the lovely Lenine McDonald. Hello Lenine.
Hello.
So Lenine is here to share her testimonial with us. So Lenine, I'm going to ask you first, what was going on? What problem were you having, and how long did you suffer with it?
I was having knee pain, basically, and suffering with it for at least 4 or 5 years. And it basically hindered my daily activities as a personal trainer and a dance instructor. Bending and squatting, getting up from the floor and down to the floor were very difficult.
Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me some other things that you tried prior to coming to New You Regenerative Medicine that did not work for you?
Well, I tried self-medicating. It probably wasn't wise for me not to seek help immediately. So I did the typical icing and heating and keeping my leg raised and massaging the area. And I purchased knee braces, and resting helped, but that's about it.
Okay. So can you tell me, Lenine, excuse me, how did you find New You Regenerative Medicine, and what drew you to us?
Okay, I found an ad on Instagram, and when I read about what stem cell therapy is and what it does, what it can do for you, I thought that would be great. That's something that I would love to do, especially now that my situation is not so bad that I need an actual knee replacement surgery. So if I can do something to prevent that and continue my livelihood, that would be great.
Wonderful, thank you. Can you tell me, Lenine, did you have any concerns before getting the care?
Not really. I would say the typical concerns, is it really going to work? Because it's, I guess it's kind of a new therapy. You don't hear much about it, so you have that thought in the back of your mind as to whether it's going to work for you or not.
Yes, definitely understandable. And tell me, Lenine, how has getting the care here at New You Regenerative changed your life?
Well, I took a ballet class 2 weekends ago, and I was actually able to do my pliés, my grand pliés, without pain. In demonstrating exercises with my clients, lunges and squats, I'm able to do it without pain. Usually I would run, and just the first few steps I would have pain in my knees. And if I ran for any length of time, I would have soreness for 3 weeks straight. Well, I'm happy to say that I've been able to do all of those things, minus the distance running. I haven't done that yet, but I've been able to do everything else without having any pain. So I'm just really ecstatic about that.
That's wonderful. Okay, and Lenine, what would you say to someone who's considering getting this type of care and could be worried about the same things that you were?
Well, I don't know if my testimony helps at all, but I would say definitely read into it a little bit more if you have to. I would say come in and do the orientation, get the information, get your x-ray done, and Dr. Lutz is excellent at explaining and breaking down the information. The informational video that they share with you is very thorough, and it will ease and calm your thoughts and any apprehension that you may have.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Lenine. And just one final question. If you could rate your pain on a scale of 1 to 10 of where you were prior to coming to New You and where you are now, 10 being the worst pain, can you give me a couple numbers?
Yes, I would attempt to do that. So I would say my pain, I would put it at a 7, only because it wasn't ongoing. And then for now, I would put it at about a 2.5 to 3.
Great, and you're still on your way.
Yes, I'm still healing, so
Yes.
I'm looking forward to another testimony in the future and about me sprinting. That's what I look forward to.
Well, so happy for you, Lenine, and it's been a pleasure working with you. And
It's been a pleasure working with you all as well. The entire staff is lovely.
thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.